Hello students, let's continue with page number 55 of English workbook. In previous link we have completed explanation of lesson number 6, the timid train. Today we are going to complete some of its notes, right? Come to the question 1. Underline the correct option in this sentence. What we have to do? We have to underline the correct option. Number A. Chuckbuck is a new or old train? What was Chuckbuck? Chuckbuck is a new train. Where it is written? N-E-W, new. So we are going to underline this. New. हमने क्या किया? New को underline. Next B. Chuckbuck is a bright or dull train? Chuckbuck कैसी थी? Bright ऐसे न्यू फ्रेश थी या dull? It was a bright train, right? Where it is written? B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Underline this. Okay. An old train tells Chuckbuck to blow its horn or shout whenever it is frightened. What was the advice given by the old train? क्या कहा था old train ने जो से चिल्लाने के लिए? No. What to do? Blow its horn. So we are going to underline this. Okay. Question D. Ram is the car or engine driver? Ram क्या था? Engine driver. So you are going to underline engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. Babu, the guard, waves the red or green flag. Babu, the guard. Babu was Babu. Babu was the guard, right? Which flag did Babu have? Red or green? कौन सा हिलाया था? Green flag. G-R-E-E-N, green. Green flag. And the last, Ram switches on the engine headlights or torch. Ram ने क्या किया था? In the tunnel, did he switched on headlights or torch? Headlights. इंजन के हेडलाइट्स ऑन किए थे, राइट? अंडरलाइन दिस. ओके. देन कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. रीड द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस एंड टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू पुट अ टिक मार्क. क्वेश्चन ए. व्हाई डज चकबक वांट टू स्टे इन द शेड फॉरएवर? क्यों रहना चाहता था? बिकॉज चकबक इज लेजी. चकबक वॉज अ लेजी ट्रेन. Or because Chuckbuck is frightened of new places and things. What is the correct answer? Was the Chuckbuck lazy? No. Chuckbuck was frightened, यानी कि डरा हुआ था. किससे? From new places and things. So which is the correct answer? Number 2. Put a tick mark here. Okay. Then question B. Why does Ram switch on the headlights? Tell me answer. Do you know? To show Chuckbuck the way or to let people know that Chuckbuck is coming. किस लिए? To show Chuckbuck the way. Chuckbuck को रास्ता दिखना चाहिए ना, इसलिए हेडलाइट्स ऑन किए थे. So we will put tick mark on the first option. It means this is the correct one. Next you have question 3. Match the words to the picture. One has been done for you. Chuckbuck. Chuckbuck को किससे मैच किया? With its drawing, है कि नहीं? Chuckbuck is here. What is this? Tunnel. You can see tunnel over here. Where it is? The last one. ये क्या है? Tunnel है. What you will do? Keep your pencil from tunnel. T-U-N-N-E-L. Tunnel से लेकर you have to join it to the picture. Okay, so here is your tunnel. Next, guard. Who is guard? Babu is the guard. Now tell me how you can identify the person with the green flag is guard. So match with C. G-U-A-R-D, guard. Engine driver. Now where is engine driver? लेकिन engine driver यहाँ बैठा है engine के अंदर. So match here. Engine driver. Ram is an engine driver. Older train. Now where you can see the older train, the old one? The first. Then you have to match older train with E. Older train. Come like this and match it here. And the last one is railway track. It means railway ki patri, right? The railway tracks. Come to the next page. Page number 56. Students, what do you have here? Spell and say. Here you have some pronunciation, spell and say. What is this? BL and CL words. Now, have you noticed that in our lesson there are some BL, that is BL and CL words like blow. Here BL is used in this word. है कि नहीं? BLOW, blow. Such words are called as consonant blend, in which two consonants blend together and each consonant sound can be heard in the blend, like CL, click, BL, black, CL, clap, clip, blink. है कि नहीं? In this we can hear B sound also and L sound also. In same CL we can hear C sound as well as L sound. है कि नहीं? हमें दोनों वर्ड्स का साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है ना? रीड अगेन. ब्लो, ब्लैक, clap, clip, blink. Same way we are going to use BL and CL to complete these words. Let's start. What the boy is doing? He is blowing the candle. So what is the word? Blow. BLOW, blow. What is this? Clock. CLOCK, clock. What is the color? Black. BLACK, black. What is this? Block. BLOCK, block. What is this? The hands are clapping. It means clap. What will come? BL or CL? Clap. It means CL. CLAP, clap. What is this? This is a class. So what you will write? CL, class. Come to the next. Circle the picture that show the things Chuckbuck was frightened of. Chuckbuck किसे किसे डर रहा था? Did he was frightened of older train? No. He was frightened of dog? Yes. You have to circle this. Was Chuckbuck frightened of Ram? Ram the engine driver से डरा था क्या? No. He was frightened of cow. Circle this. He was frightened of Babu the guard? No. He was frightened of the dark tunnel? Yes. What to do? Circle. Okay kids, you have to complete these 2 pages. I hope you have understood it. So tick mark and circle and write it correct. Okay. Bye bye.